Welcome back. In this step, let's look at an important fact related to inheritance. Even though we did not inherit from any class in here, the book class does not have anything between parentheses. That means it's not really inheriting from anything. Is that right? Actually, that's not right. All classes in Python extend from a class called object. If you look at this REPR method, the representation method inside the book class that we created earlier, there is a small sign on the left hand side. If you hover over it, it says overrides method in object. Why is it overriding method in object? Because by default, if you don't put anything in here, it is actually as if you are overriding something called object. Object is a predefined class in Python. If you click over here in the IDE, it would take you to the object class. You can see that there is an empty definition for the representation class by default. You'd see that there are a lot of other things that are defined as part of the object class. By default, all Python classes, unless you specify a class in here, inherit from object. That's something you need to remember, and we will look at more about it in the subsequent videos. Until the next step, bye bye.